students, welcome to SS Magi channels. Last class we have discussed about the capacitance of the parallel plate capacitors. In this class we are going to study about the effect of dielectric on capacitance. The effect of dielectric on capacitance. Okay. Here now consider the two parallel plates are there here. So between these two here, when the dielectric place is in between these two plates at that time, so what are the effects on capacitance? Okay, so let us now consider here two plates are there here. So it is a one plates and another one plates here. So these two plates are separated by a certain distance. Okay, here another one plates. So these two plates are separated by certain distance, so that is d here, and on this first plate here now consider positive charge on this plate, and similarly here negative charge, and between these two here electric field is there here, right? Here electric field is in, and the area of this plate is considered here A. A is the area of the plate, and this is considered here surface charge density. What is that here? Surface charge density. Here surface charge density is represented by, so sigma, negative sigma is there because here the negative charge on this plate. Similarly here surface charge density here, so that is positive sigma. Okay, okay students, here so let us now consider parallel plates. So having air is the parallel plate, air capacitor is there here, having its area of this plate is considered A and separated by a certain distance, that is D. So then the capacitance of the air is given by, here C naught equals to epsilon naught A divided by D. So it is considered equation number 1. Okay, it is called as equation number 1. If the plate between these two filled with the dielectric of relative permittivity K, if they filled with the dielectric medium in between these two plates, the dielectric of permittivity is considered, that is K. So at that time the capacitance of this same capacitor is given by, so that is C is equals to epsilon naught Ka divided by D. So dielectric medium is the dielectric constant is there. Okay, so at that time the capacitance of the same capacitor is given by C equals to epsilon naught Ka divided by D is there. Then it is called equation number 2. Okay, so now here divide equation number 2 by 1. Divide equation 2 by 1 here. Divide equation number 2 by 1. Okay, see here what is that equation number 2 here? Right here epsilon naught Ka divided by D, so this is equals to C, and this whole divided by what is that? Equation number 1 here. So epsilon naught A divided by D, and here this is divided by C naught. Okay, so here D get cancelled, epsilon naught, and then A get cancels. So what is remaining here? So K is equals to C divided by C naught. So K is a dielectric constant. Here when the dielectric medium is placed, dielectric substance placed between these two medium, so when K is greater than 1, so at that time the capacitance of this capacitor is increases. So let us now consider, so what are the effects of a dielectric on a capacitance? Okay, so when the dielectric, by introducing the dielectric medium between these two plates, so what are the effects on a capacitance? Okay, so then here, so let us now consider one by one here. The first one, consider here the effect of this dielectric when placed in between the plates. Okay, then first one here, the electric field is decreases. Electric field decreases. So electric field is decreases. Then second one, the potential also decreases. The potential also decreases. The potential also decreases. And then third one is capacitance increases. Capacitance increases. And then fourth one, by introducing the dielectric medium in between the plates, it does not alter the charge on the plates. What is that? It does not alter charge on the plates. Here, it does not alter charge on the plates. Charge on the plates. It means here it does not alter the charge on the plates. When dielectric medium is placed in between these two plates, at that time it does not alter the charge on the plates. It does not alter. Alter means change. It does not change the charge on the plates. So these are the effect of dielectric on a capacitance. Okay. So next class, students, we are discuss. So that is, capacitors are connected in series and capacitors are connected in a parallel. Okay. Thank you.